Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Scruff cannot create account. So to fix the Scruff cannot create account error, you can start by offloading the app. Just go to your device settings, then scroll down to general and then tap iPhone storage. Then scroll down to find Scruff from the list, or you can just simply search it in your search bar. Tap on it. Now tap offload app and then immediately reinstall it. Now the next what you can do is check device limit. If the app states you have already reached the maximum number of profiles, you must contact support to clear space or restore an old profile. Now the next what you can do is re-verify your phone number. If you are stuck at SMS verification, make sure that you have entered the correct country code, then tap send SMS again. And then allow all the location and background data permissions. Now the next what you can do is check for the network. You can just simply switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to ensure your carrier isn't blocking the connection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.